I'm Elisa Marshall, the owner and co-founder of Maman, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips and tricks on setting the table for your very own vintage garden bridal shower. So my first tip is to create height and dimension and texture on your table. No one wants a plain, boring, flat table, so it's always great to add a few different elements, layer different objects and fabrics to create a little bit more elevation and add some three-dimension effect to your tablescape. If you don't have traditional table linens and you don't want that stuffy tablecloth look, have fun with various fabrics creating your own. Table runners, placemats, and napkins. Shop your home for beautiful textured throws, scarves, and old linens. Here I'm using vintage lace and fabric scraps, which I've repurposed. You can even go to the fabric store and buy some simple fabrics by the yard to drape over your tables. Get creative to add height to your table. If you don't own tiered stands or cake stands, turn various vases upside down, utilize glasses and plates to make your own. Play with various heights and add visual interest. You can see here I use various vases along with different lengths of florals to add a little bit more height and to elevate the eye, creating a multi-dimensional look. So I really love vintage items, and my second favorite tip is creating a really vintage aesthetic utilizing mismatched flatware. Not everyone owns 12 sets of the exact same plates when entertaining, so it's always fun to source different pieces, but you need to find a common theme to make sure that they all work well with one another. In this case, I selected pinks and florals, as that's what my eye was drawn to and part of the look I wanted to give the shower. You can see here with both my cutlery and my glassware, I also did the same. I used size and shape as my common theme for my glassware. Layering all these items together on the table helped to add a little bit more dimension and a really unique, one-of-a-kind look. So my third favorite tip is to make the decor purposeful. Not only should your tablescape be beautiful, but it also should be functional. As opposed to splurging on large floral centerpieces, use your cake as a centerpiece and adorn it with florals matching your tablescape. Allow your florals to double as favors. Seeing it's a garden party theme, naturally flowers will make the most appropriate favorite. Here I use the small vintage bud vases as place cards, and I also doubled them to be beautiful custom take-home favors for my guests. So my last favorite tip for garden-themed bridal showers is to do your own flowers. There's no need to splurge on expensive bouquets, which can really hurt the budget. And I love going to my local bodega or grocery store, grabbing some flowers and making some beautiful centerpieces on my own. You can get a similar and less traditional table using clusters of bud vases and vintage bottles varying in heights and sizes. I love using a combination of single stem florals like roses alongside some smaller clusters of flowers and some wispy, messy greens. So I hope these hosting tips are helpful for you, and happy entertaining.
Hi, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our channel for new videos every week. The subscribe button, it's up there.